Hello guys, this is Muntasir Ahmed. Welcome to Bulk Clothing, my YouTube channel. Today I came with a new video. You see the caps, branded caps here in our warehouse. You can see the various lots of branded caps, twill cap, denim cap, and also have snapback cap. We have lots of brand like Tommy Hilfiger, Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein, and also Versace. So today our also you can see snapback cap here. But today came a buyer from India. He actually purchased a cap from our house. So you can see huge stocks we have for the cap. You can see. So most of our buyer from Dubai and also India, Qatar, Kuwait, and also one information I want to give you. Uh, our quality is better than China. You know, our quality and fabrications, swing quality and everything is better than China. So I think we actually uh, broke all the records. Inshallah, you can see the quality. Okay, we have a lots of brand. And also one information for you, if you want to create your own brand, like you have a cloth store, but you are selling actually lots of branded items, but you want to start your own clothing brand, so uh, you can inbox me WhatsApp, and also a messenger. But also you can see the our various design. Here you have a Puma, Hugo Boss, Levi's, Calvin Klein, Adidas also. Okay, so if you actually want to create your own brand, so you can inbox me on WhatsApp. And also if you want to create your own branded cap, own I mean own cap store, so you can give me your design. We will give you your best produces cap. Okay, we'll manufacture the cap what you given me the design. Okay, you can see here lots of branded caps, very nice quality. Just see this design. This is Dior. Here we have embroidery design. Okay, just see the quality. Okay, here also logo printed in the back bucket. See, back bucket, you have a logo design printed. And also the front side, the text Dior is embroidery. And also everywhere, any cap you purchase have embroidery, like Jack and Jones, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, and Hugo Boss, Adidas, Nike. That branded logo will be shown uh, on the cap with embroidery text. Okay, so if you want to order, please inbox me and please WhatsApp me. Here you can see various nice designs, snapback cap, Lakers, and also Nike Air Jordan. Here